Let us get your Stripe account ready to accept payments via QR codes immediately. Open your preferred web browser right now and head straight to stripe.com. Move your cursor to the far top right corner of the homepage and click the Sign In button. Carefully enter the exact email address and password associated with your business account. Click the blue Sign In button directly below those input fields to access your main dashboard hub. Now, look at the primary navigation menu located on the left side of your screen. Scroll down through this list until you see the option labeled Payments and click it once. This will expand a small drop-down menu. From this specific submenu, locate and click on Payment Links. This dedicated area manages all your standalone payment pages. Move your eyes to the top right corner of this new section and click the prominent button labeled New. You are now looking at the official link creation panel. Under the Type selection area, click the drop-down menu and choose between products or subscriptions depending on what you sell to your audience. Directly below that choice, click on the button that says Add Product. Give your item a clear name, upload an optional image, and set your price in the local currency field. If you want your customers to be able to buy multiple items at the same time, scroll down slightly and check the box next to Adjust Quantity. The important thing to note here is the trade-off with this specific setting. Enabling this allows customers total freedom over their order size, but it means you cannot enforce a strict single-item inventory limit on this specific link. In my case, I prefer leaving it enabled for standard merchandise to maximize sales. Scroll further down into the Advanced Options section to customize the checkout experience even more. Locate the field for your call to action text. Click the drop-down menu and select Pay to give your customers the clearest possible instruction when they scan the code. Look toward the top right corner of the web page and click the button that says Create Link. Stripe will instantly generate your new payment page. On the details page for this freshly created link, locate the small QR code icon positioned right next to the Copy button and click it. A new window will pop up right in the middle of your screen, displaying your unique QR code. You can choose to click Copy to Clipboard if you want to paste it into a design document, or click Download Image to save the file directly to your local computer.